My family loves it when I make rice this way. Easy and delicious. Start by adding olive oil to a skillet. Next, add 2 cloves of garlic and let them lightly brown. Once done, add 250 g of rice and mix well. Add water until it covers the rice. Season with salt to taste. Mix again to incorporate the seasoning and let it cook for 10 minutes. After the cooking time, use the bottom of a glass to make 4 holes. Now, add 1 egg into each hole you made. Adjust the salt to your liking. Cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. For a special touch, add 100 g of mozzarella cheese. Top it off with 50 g of peas. Dash 50 g of corn. Chop chives to taste. Cover again and let it cook for 3 more minutes. And here it is. Our sensational fried rice with eggs is ready to be enjoyed. See how quick and easy it was. If you like this recipe, like and follow our page for more tips like this one. Enjoy your meal and see you next time.